Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Looks very yummy. For the food, yummy.
Pero dyan, Nukman. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Looks very yummy.
Looks yummy. Yeah. So, just arrived in the hotel. Na, Michelle? Yeah. For today, tapos na na? Yeah. So, we stay here in the hotel. And, kuma, Michelle. We have a lot of piyayas. And, oh, look. Extra. Thank you, Jan. Salamat. Wow. Ayan, piyaya, ubi, and normal na piyaya classic. Thank you. At saka ba extra mo na ano ba yan? Wow. Looks yummy, na? Sama, Michelle. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, ayan, may merienda kami tamang-tama. Kakarating lang namin sa karating lang namin ngayon sa hotel namin. Michelle. So,